What up, fellas? It's way too early right now. I'm in Miami. We are going to do the AM stream and live trade in front of my inner circle and a few here. So I'm gonna get up, get ready for that, ready to trade for the day. We're in Miami, baby. Let's get it.
Bad nigga make that dog, yeah. Right now got on my toes, yeah. Stepping on shit to get old, yeah. Waiting on nigga get bold, yeah. Pipe down nigga ain't never see him do it like me on the goddamn.
All right, guys. First trade of the day is done. Look at this beauty. We bottom picked it, pull up, and we top picked it. Name one other person that's doing that. I can't name them, but as you can see, members are cashing out. Milo said, quick hundreds this AM with Dukes. I wish I joined sooner. Get on board, fellas. We can all do this together. 105%, $320 in 5 minutes. Nobody's doing this like us. Nobody. Simply nobody. Good start for the month.
I came back to none. I confused how the fuck all these niggas ain't making no movements. I ran out of juice. Let me make you a.
Bro, we are balling in the markets. SPY puts 22% with the team. What do we gotta say, fellas? What do we gotta say? I'm a MacBook in Miami. What do we gotta say? What do we gotta say? W so far. We've had a arm call, W. We've had a SPY put, W. Once again, and we are cashing out with the team. It's like a Miami effect. I really think so. 134, 320. It is a Miami effect, and that's why I kind of want to move here. So it's just bread every single day, and that's why Miami effect is real. This is the best thing about trading. I mean, I am in Miami right now at one of my best friend's house, and I'm just printing in this 1 to 10K challenge with my Discord. It's all about location freedom, time freedom, financial freedom. This is why I do it, because I can go to Miami whenever I want, and I can go wherever I want. This is my dream job. I'm gonna take you on my day with me, so I'm super excited. I have a lot of things planned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get ready, and I'll see you guys later. All right, fellas, we are going to first watch. I mean me. I'm going by myself. I know I like going to lunch by myself sometimes. It's 12:18 right now. We just finished with our AM session around 11 a.m. Caught 2 W's for the morning. I mean, this is the life as a trader, guys. This is a day in the life, but this is real. I just made money in the markets 2 feet away from where I slept, and now I'm going on a solo mission to first watch. To get some pancakes, probably. I don't know. Like, this is the life, bro. This is lit. This is fire. And later, I'm going to Brickell, and we're going to have a great night. Dude, this vlog is going to be fun. Hopefully, we meet another Ashton Hall, or we meet another famous person. But I'm going to go grub and then come back for PM session. It's kind of getting late. I was taking a long time to shower, but yeah, I'll see you at first watch. Alrighty, we made it to first watch. If you guys can see it in the distance, I parked like 9 miles away because there was -2 parking spots. But no, yeah, good parking job. But props to this guy for parking like he's on 3 doses of horse tranquilizer. So my parking wasn't that good either. But yeah, I'm gonna go grub. It's like 12:35 right now, so I might be late for PM session. I have to eat. If you're not putting this combo on your eggs and bowl, you are tripping. All right, I just got done with lunch. It was pretty mid, I can't lie. I'm gonna go back to the crib, get ready for PM session. Hopefully there's some trades. I mean, it's OPEX, so probably not, but if we can catch another 3-0 day, that would be, that'd be insane. I need to solidify myself as the best trader in the world, but I already know I am. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back and just chill for a minute, and we're gonna go out later, so later in this video is gonna be really fun. But yeah, dude, I feel like I look Amish with this beard. I'm trying it out, guys, all right? Tell me if you like it or not. But from the front, it's like I'm Amish. From the side, got some drip. But from the front, I look like a villager. So yeah, I'm probably gonna shave it off here soon. All right, boys, it is 2:18 p.m. We pushed PM session back a little bit because price action was absolutely terrible, but we are about to start PM session. This is a part of my day every single day. I do AM session at 10 a.m. and then PM session around 1, 2 p.m. And we trade with the inner circle every single day on live stream. So let's get into it. Hopefully we win a trade. Hopefully price action gets better, but we'll see. Let's go. All right, we just ended PM session. We did not take a trade. Sometimes you don't have to take a trade every session. The price action was not good, so I did not take any trades. Simple as that. Kept my cash, 2 dubs on the day, and I'm done for the week. That's how it is. We're profitable in the week. Challenge is going great. 1 to 10K challenge. This video is probably not going to be out, or it will be out before the challenge ends, but we're doing well, and my psychology is doing well, and I'm about to journal. Let's get the journal. About to journal my trades like everyone should be doing. Then we're going to go out to dinner. We're going to go down to Brickell. We're going to go explore, and we're in Miami, baby. We're going to have some fun. But I'll catch you guys in the next thing we're doing. I don't know what I'm going to do, honestly, but this is a day in my life. So I decided I wanted to go to the gym because we're not going downtown until a little bit later. So I pulled up to the gym here in Miami. My boy works here, so it's even better. So yeah, I'm going to hit a quick lift, and then we're going to get ready for later. All right, I'm about to show Chris's fit. Shit tough.
So
What you got?
we got Abercrombie here at the top, plain black tee.
What you got on the bottom?
Honestly, putting you on some game, Sheen shorts. Sheen, like graphic type of shorts. You get those shits for cheap. They're nice. Got some white Nike socks, New Balance 9060s,
Hey.
sea salt concretes, I believe.
Hey.
And we got the GLD. You know,
Wait,
you know what I'm saying.
What's this?
You know, my fault, I'm a little Yeti. And then, you know, you got the earrings too. That's GLD as well. You know, GLD, NIL deal. You get what I'm trying to say. You know.
All right, so we're pulling up now. We're not at Brickell City Center right now. We're at the Dolphin Mall. Ralph Lauren, about to get some drip. Not gonna lie. So yeah, we're gonna get some stuff in here, shop around a little bit, but then we're gonna head to dinner and then Brickell City Center. So let's go.
That's good that was the one that opened though, because realistically speaking, if I got caught in a situation where that door didn't open, I would have had to leave and go back home, and I wouldn't be able to partake in this one.
Facts. How do we feel about this little polo jacket? I think I might cop. It's like $200 for it. Had a good week, so. Just got done at Polo La Ferrari and got me a nice little, what is it, zip up kind of sweater.
Little zip up type, yeah.
I'm gonna hop into gas, see what's going on there, maybe get some new shoes. I don't know. I like their shoes. So. See, that one had if that one had diamonds in it, the blue face. Jeez. But like I like the size. I don't like too bulky, you know?
No, it's
I really don't.
smooth, it's clean. It's, you know what it is? It's classy.
It's I think it's almost a half carat, 68 different stones. Okay. Okay, so $14.90 as I stated, and then with the taxes 7%. Alright.
Guys, this is my first watch, and first like watch with diamonds in it, obviously, real diamonds. And dude, you know where I came from, bro. You know how far I came. And
Yep.
it's just like something like this, bro. I've never, like 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, bro, I would never be here. Trading took me to this. Are you kidding me? And now one day of my profits, just on a watch, one of my dream watches with diamonds in it, gold. I have no words.
What's one key asset that will help you maintain this lifestyle?
One key asset is my discipline. You guys know my discipline is everything to me. Now I have a nice watch with diamonds in it. Does that make me be complacent? Am I gonna stop working as hard? Absolutely not. I'm gonna make that back Monday, because market's closed tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna make it back Monday. I'm gonna make it back the whole week, and I'm just so blessed that I trade, because it makes me able to do that and make it back right on.
Just
on
like
Monday.
that, I think we're ready.
Just off the after, yeah, for sure. Shot.
There you go. Bottom.
Perfect.
Bam.
Boom.
Like literally perfect.
Boom, boom, boom.
Perfect.
You wanna wear it out? Good, bro.
You got the box?
I'm gonna give it to you right now. I'm gonna put the links in there. Okay?
Sounds good. I appreciate it. There it is.
Go ahead and show that off
I'm not
one
taking this
time.
off for the next couple days.
Go ahead and show that off for the one time.
Let's get some light on it.
Oh yeah, please do. Please do.
It's not no moissanite,
Stainless.
boys. Not no moissanite on that one.
There you go, sir. Appreciate it. It's a pleasure. Have a good evening. Have a safe trip back.
Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you.
Have a good night.
You too.
This is how possible it is when you stick to trading. You never quit. Just bought a watch from last week's profits. Real diamonds into no more tonight. This is what happens when you stick to your plan. 3 C's, the best strategy in the whole entire world. Buy me this watch. Get on it now.
It's precious to me. I got my anchor out. I'm locked in your seat. You know you're my baby now. You're special to me. About your time, about your diamonds, you can keep the receipt. I got you down, I got you loose. I guess you owe it to me. Is you down and out? I'm around for your spot. I get you lit, jet, watch me slip inside. She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole.
Check the view out. But one thing about it, the parking is impossible. We have been looking for literally 20 minutes and we're still struggling. All right, fellas, just pulled up to Brickell City Center, found parking finally after 25 minutes. We're just gonna walk around, chill, and we're gonna take you guys with us.
Milkshakes are for the fucking win, brother.
I'm so fat.
Grown ass man with an ice cream cone this time.
I'm so fat.
What are we doing?
I'm so fat, boys.
This dude's wearing a thousands of dollar watch. While
Hey.
eating a freaking a 10-year-old's ice cream cone that he stole.
Don't replicate my health choices tonight, food-wise, but definitely replicate my trading strategy because that works. All right, just got some Haagen-Dazs. Again, every time I come to Brickell City Center, we get ice cream. It's like a tradition. Hold on. Check out the view. Hold on. Check out the view. All right, resume. Yeah, so we got ice cream. I got caramel cone, bro. That is the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I feel like I do have diabetes right now because I've been eating like terrible the past couple days. But you know, when we get back in town, back on the grind, so it's all worth it. Dude, I don't know about you, but I'm not waiting in line for 2 hours to get into a bar. What's even the point of that at this point? Yo, by the way, right over there is where we met Ashton Hall for the first time. I'm manifesting meeting him again. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be mad with meeting someone else that's famous, but that's what we're here in Miami for, right? To climb up the ranks. Just having fun, trying to see what we can do here, and yeah, it's beautiful here. Look at that. The best steak bites in the world. Shout out Moxie's. Shout out everyone that comes here. I mean, dude, best spot in Miami. Come check it out. Dude, look at that Urus. I want like a Urus, but like in like a kind of like a beige kind of color, like a not even like gold. It's like kind of like brown beige. Like that's cool though. Look at that, bro. Check out this side of cars. Yeah, so we're in flow state right now. He started the camera right when I told him to start filming. So that kind of shows you how this weekend's been going. Just flow state. This whole week's been flow state too because we have been winning trades on trades on trades from the 3C strategy. But again, I'm not gonna lie, we had some hardships earlier in the challenge, but you know the boys, come on. We always come out on top. But yeah, that is gonna do it for tonight at the Brickell City Center. We're gonna go home, shower up, chill, probably just chill out, you know, watch some movies or something. And we're in Miami. It's always a fun time here. We met 2 famous people again, Fresh and Fit, and who's the other guy? I don't even know. But there's always someone famous, you know? But yeah, we're gonna get back in the Duke's Mobile and head home. Let's get it.
I'm the night, I'm the night, I'm the night, I'm the night, rapping the night, I'm on my brain, I like you, yeah, we get a trash spot, we got a bag, we got a big stock, I get the dreadlock, I'm the block, I'm that rich spot, you in the
All right, boys, that is going to conclude the day in the life as a day trader in Miami. Great time today. Went to lunch, got this absolute beauty of a watch right here. Went to Brickell City Center. My boy Chris, or Truly behind the camera, always riding with me. Shout out to him. Check out his music. But yeah, took 2 trades in the inner circle this morning, cashed out, and that's about it. I mean, this is the real day in the life of what I do every single day. If you want to be one-on-one mentored by me, literally hold your hand to profitability, comment the word deuce below or DM it to me on Instagram. If you guys want to see more style like this, like content, you know, day in the life on YouTube, let me know. But I'm super tired. It's like 1 a.m., so I'm about to hit the sheets, and that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Get my own plug, I get it in and go.
I'll keep it going.
Shot it, oh, me
Ben's gonna
some-
shoot, he's gonna laugh. What was I gonna say?
Yeah, how does this look? Would I, you know,
Yeah, no, I mean, I think you could burn that for sure.
burn it?
Maybe. And then burn yourself.
Okay.
What the hell just happened? Did you see that? Dude, they're trying to rob the bike.
Hell yeah.
Bang, bang. Hey, yo, cover your eyes.
Yo,
geez,
yeah, I'm actually. I think a lot of people who have been down numerous roads in life can agree that there's really just a few great things in life, like great family, great friends. I can't get away from that guy. I really just can't. Great food. Yeah, fuck this guy.
Larry fucking Silverstein. About a month and a half before the tires were hit, he took out a very strange and unorthodox insurance policy that covered terrorism.
Yo, use the 3C strategy. Use the 3Cs.
He was able to get the biggest
3Cs.
insurance fucking...
All right, boys, that concludes the video. Day in the life as a day trader in Miami. You are laughing behind the fucking screen. I can't